In any regulated laboratory, the reliability of your analytical instruments is paramount. That's where qualification comes in. Today, we're diving into the essential process of qualifying your high-performance liquid chromatography, or HPLC, system. HPLC is a cornerstone technique in pharmaceutical analysis, chemical research, and many other fields. It precisely separates compounds in a liquid mixture. But how do you know your HPLC is working correctly? That's where qualification ensures your instrument consistently delivers accurate and dependable results. Why is qualification so crucial? Data integrity. It confirms the accuracy and reliability of your data, which is critical for decision-making, regulatory compliance, and scientific validity. Regulatory compliance. In industries like pharmaceuticals, regulatory bodies like the FDA mandate instrument qualification. Reproducibility. Qualification ensures your HPLC produces consistent results over time and across different operators. Troubleshooting. It establishes a baseline for performance, making it easier to identify and resolve problems. The qualification process is broken down into 4 key stages. 1. Design qualification, DQ. This confirms that the HPLC system you select meets your specific requirements and intended use. It's like checking if you bought the right tool for the job. 2. Installation qualification, IQ. This verifies that the HPLC system is installed correctly according to the manufacturer's specifications. This includes proper connections, environmental conditions, and software installation. 3. Operational qualification, OQ. This demonstrates that the HPLC system performs as expected within its operating range. You'll test key parameters like pump flow rate, detector accuracy, and temperature control. 4. Performance qualification, PQ. This confirms that the entire system, including the instrument, software, and your specific analytical method, consistently produces reliable results for your particular application. Let's look at each stage in more detail. Design qualification. Before purchasing an HPLC, define your needs. What types of samples will you analyze? What separation performance do you require? Does the instrument meet relevant regulatory standards? DQ is usually performed by the user, sometimes in collaboration with the vendor. Installation qualification. When the HPLC arrives, follow the manufacturer's instructions meticulously. Document everything: serial numbers, installation dates, and any environmental conditions. Verify that all components are correctly installed and that the system is ready for operation. Operational qualification. OQ is where you put the HPLC through its paces. You'll use calibrated standards and test procedures to verify performance. Examples include pump flow rate. Is it delivering the mobile phase at the set rate? Detector accuracy. Is it accurately measuring the concentration of your compounds? Injection precision. Is the injector delivering the same volume each time? Column oven temperature. Is the temperature stable and accurate? Performance qualification. PQ is application specific. You'll use your actual samples and analytical method to demonstrate that the HPLC system consistently produces reliable results in your lab environment. This often involves analyzing known standards and assessing factors like accuracy, precision, and repeatability. Key considerations for successful HPLC qualification. Documentation. Meticulous record keeping is essential. Document every step of the process, including protocols, results, and any deviations. Calibration. Ensure all reference standards and any measuring devices used in the qualification process are properly calibrated. Training. Personnel performing qualification must be adequately trained and qualified. Maintenance. Regular maintenance and preventive maintenance are critical for keeping the HPLC system in a qualified state. Change control. Any changes to the system, software, or analytical method must be assessed for their potential impact on the qualified state. Qualification isn't a one-time event. Over time, instrument performance can drift. Requalification or periodic checks are necessary to maintain confidence in your results. The frequency depends on factors like instrument usage, the criticality of the application, and regulatory requirements. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe